In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can use AI models in CapCut. AI models are pivotal in CapCut, significantly enhancing the user experience by automating and simplifying complex video editing tasks. Let's say you have a clothing merchandise and you want to upload nice photos on your website. Simply head to your CapCut. Tap on this Expand button. Select on AI model. Select on the model you want to use. In the product section, tap right here to add any cloth you want this selected model to put on. It can be a dress, crop top, jumper, t-shirt, or anything you want to add. As you can see, I already added what I want this model to wear. Select on it and tap on Generate. It will then automatically get generated successfully. Tap on Export to save to your phone gallery. You can then go ahead and share this to your website, chat groups, and among others. That's how easy it is to get rid of your boring pictures while advertising for your clothing apparel. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.